Salmon are among nature's most fascinating travelers, embarking on an incredible journey between fresh water and the open ocean. But have you ever wondered what happens behind the scenes? From their life in the wild to sustainable salmon farming and high-tech processing? Join us as we explore the remarkable life cycle of salmon, their transformation during spawning, and the cutting-edge techniques used to farm and process them. Did you know that salmon live in two completely different environments during their lifetime? They hatch in freshwater rivers, then migrate to the saltwater ocean, where they grow and mature. As they return to freshwater to spawn, salmon change color, shifting from silvery blue to red, bronze, or dark olive. Males may even develop humps and hooked jaws for mating. Salmon go through this exhausting journey because they want to lay eggs in clean, oxygen-rich water, where gravel beds protect them and fewer predators exist. And do you know that after spawning, most Pacific salmon die, but their bodies nourish the ecosystem? Each year, over 2.5 million tons of salmon are caught worldwide, with fishing boats hauling in thousands daily. Some vessels even process and freeze salmon at sea for peak freshness. But with wild stocks under pressure, over 50% of salmon now comes from farms. Sustainable fishing is key to protecting this incredible species for the future. Salmon farming begins with artificial fertilization to ensure healthy and controlled breeding. First, mature female salmon are selected, and their eggs are carefully extracted. A female salmon can lay between 1,500 and 10,000 eggs in a single spawning, depending on the species. Next, the eggs and sperm are mixed in a controlled environment to facilitate fertilization. This method increases survival rates compared to natural spawning. Next, the eggs are incubated in clean, oxygen-rich water at a stable temperature. Over time, they hatch into tiny salmon called alevins, which feed on their yolk sacs for nutrition. As they grow, they develop into fry and are moved to freshwater tanks, where they are carefully monitored until they are strong enough to be transferred to larger enclosures for further growth. After months or years, smolts are carefully transported to open sea farms in specialized oxygen-rich tanks by trucks or boats, ensuring minimal stress. After 1.5 to 2 years at sea, the salmon reach their harvest size, completing their journey from freshwater to ocean farming. Once harvested, fresh salmon are immediately chilled and transported to the processing plant to maintain quality. Upon arrival, the salmon are carefully sorted by size, weight, and quality. This ensures that each fish is processed according to specific standards, whether for whole fish, fillets, or other products. The first step in processing is gutting. Machines or skilled workers remove the internal organs, ensuring the fish is thoroughly cleaned. Next, the heads are removed. While some parts of the head may be discarded, others can be processed further for fish meal, oil extraction, or other byproducts to minimize waste. Once the salmon is headless and gutted, it moves on to the filleting stage. Specialized filleting machines precisely cut along the backbone, separating the flesh from the bones with minimal waste. Workers may also manually trim certain parts to ensure clean and high-quality fillets. After filleting, the fish undergoes trimming and an additional washing process. Excess fat, skin, and any remaining unwanted parts are carefully removed, ensuring the fillets are uniform in size and appearance. A specialized machine extracts the bones, and workers manually inspect each fillet to ensure none are left behind. The fillets then pass through an advanced scanning system that detects imperfections, bones, or inconsistencies in quality. Depending on the product specifications, the fillets may be cut into smaller portions, such as steaks or prepackaged cuts for retail. Finally, the salmon is carefully packed, sealed, and boxed before undergoing freezing to preserve freshness. From there, it is distributed to markets and consumers worldwide. Salmon is one of the most valuable seafoods, rich in protein, omega-3s, and essential vitamins that support brain and heart health. Its journey from river to ocean, farm to table, is truly remarkable. Next time you enjoy salmon, appreciate the incredible process behind it. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more fascinating insights into nature and food.